Today we are going to make some sweet potato and chorizo bowls on the Blackstone. I'm going to turn the Blackstone on medium heat, and while that preheats, we are going to dice a sweet potato. I like to leave the skin on my sweet potatoes. A sharp knife is a must. I like to try to make them around the same size. It doesn't always happen. Just cutting some of the bigger ones. All right, sweet potatoes are chopped. I already made an avocado, cilantro, lime dressing to go on top. You can get the full recipe for this at ifyougivagirl.com. I actually made this with cottage cheese. There's also an option for sour cream. I'm going to do a little olive oil first. You can use any cooking oil that you like. Sweet potatoes. Kosher salt and pepper. And also the Blackstone tequila, lime, and street taco seasonings. I'm going to go down with some water and a melting dome. Kind of help it along a little bit. You'll remove the dome a few times, give it a mix, and more water before you cover it again. I'm going to set the melting dome aside. It has fulfilled its purpose. We're going to go down with some chorizo. Just for a few minutes, kind of break the chorizo apart. And mix the potatoes around a few times also. Those little charred bits are going to be my favorite. I can already tell you that. I'm going to turn the heat down a little. Sometimes you just have to adjust. Gonna mix it all together now. Hit it with a little bit more of these two Blackstone seasonings. I'm gonna serve these in bowls with some yummy toppings. With the cilantro, avocado, lime sauce. Cotija cheese. Pickled red onions. I know my son is going to put jalapenos on his, but I'm going to make mine the way that I like. Some more cilantro. It's in the sauce, but a little fresh over top. And a little post dust of the tequila lime. And it's just that easy to make sweet potato and chorizo bowls on the Blackstone. Happy dance. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.